Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel, at Lisa J's World. And today I have an unboxing for you guys and also another reveal. They're both Dooneys, they're both Totes. So before I get into this video, I like to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and then hit the bell notification so you're notified when I upload new videos. All right guys, so I'm excited about this one. If you notice, I have been doing some purchasing. I'm not quite on my ban yet. I've been buying bags because even though I've been collecting Dooneys for about 5-6 years, Dooney coach, I've always loved handbags. I've always collected handbags. At one time I sold handbags. I still sell handbags. However, I sell them on the third-party market on Poshmark. So I'm saying all that to say I never really ventured out into the summer bags. Now when I was selling handbags, and I found a common theme with women. They were apprehensive in purchasing bags that had color in them. And when I purchased my inventory, I had colors. I made sure I had black, but I had more colors, more so because I would sell more so in the spring and the summer. So, and very little in the winter time, in the fall and winter. So, my mom always brings out this story to me about how I used to have this green, like Kelly green, satchel tote. It was a big bag, and I loved carrying it all the time. And it had a crossbody strap, and it was a green. And she would always tell me, and now she tells me this even when I'm asking her, what do you think about this color? She's like, you're asking me about color, and you're the main one who loves color. And sometimes I try to play it safe. So to make a long story short, she said this bag went with almost everything I wore. Well, green goes with everything. The grass goes with everything. The plants, the trees, everything is greenery, in nature. So yes, it goes with everything. So I was saying all that to say that this particular bag here, I'm hoping this is the bag. It feels like it's the bag that I purchased, and it is a nice bright summery color for me. So let's get into this unboxing. Enough of my storytelling. This is how the box came. It was pretty much already open. Like this already. So I don't have to even open that side. And this is barely taped. It's barely there. Okay. I think people like to peek in the boxes just to see what's in there. We'll just go with that. Okay, this is my packing slip. And as you can see, yes, darling. Look at that. It is a Tote. So my other thing is not in this. So I guess that's the next item coming. If it didn't come in here. So this is the East West Shopper in the color orange. It is the Saffiano. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I'm so glad I went on ahead and got it. I got it during the sale. So I got a great, oh my God, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, this is breathtaking. I love this color in in this Saffiano. This is so pretty. Oh, guys, I'm trying to see now. It is just as bright as it is showing you on the video. This is gorgeous. Oh, I'm just so like, let me unwrap this. Let me unwrap this beauty. All right, guys, I had to put you guys on pause so I could unwrap her. Today I'm not feeling so well, so it took me a little while. The weather has been drastically changing, and it's like 80 degrees today when it was like in the 50s the other day, and my body is feeling it. So yeah, but look at this gorgeous, man, piece of leather. This is pretty. I am so happy. I am very proud of myself because I stepped out, and you know, sometimes you get in a rut, and you know, at one time I started looking like all I have is really fall winter colors, which I do kind of bring out some of my bags in the summer, in the spring and summer. It doesn't matter, like that olive color bag that the Korean satchel. I wear that. I would wear that all year long if I wanted to. So, but in the summer, it's nothing like a bright summery color to pop that outfit, you know. So man, this is so gorgeous. I have this also in the nylon, the black in nylon, and I really like that tote. I usually travel with that tote. I went on a girls weekend with that bag. That was my tote, and I had another small crossbody with me, and I carried my tablets and all the other things I needed to have with me, like my chargers, all my little accessories. Guys, if you look at this, it has the adjustable straps in the front. So pretty. In the back, I love this detail. I'm through with purchasing smaller bags for right now. So I have, look at the inside of this. This orange and red looks really nice together. And it's even lined in the orange color, the orange leather. That's a nice touch. I wouldn't have expected that. Really nice. See how the handles just folded right on the inside? I didn't even do anything. This is so nice. Okay. Ooh, you just need to sit right here next to mama. She is gorgeous. Okay, so I also have another tote bag. It's a reveal, and I really like this bag as well, and I definitely had to get something neutral, and it is the Camden Pebble Tote. I really like this one a little bit better than the more structured Camden and the woven collection, because I'm more of a carefree casual girl. So even though I need my totes for work, you know, because I work from home. All right, so I have a little bit more flexibility. I don't have to necessarily be, I have to try to keep myself from going too structured, because I do love a structured bag, but it doesn't fit my lifestyle anymore. So this is 7 inches wide at the bottom. So this width doesn't bother me as much as the more structured Camden tote would bother me. It would probably kind of aggravate my wrist, and I need something a little lighter to be carrying. So in this, it says online, this is on I Love Dooney. I got both totes on I Love Dooney. The strap drop on this is 11 and a half. The height is 11 inches and the length is 11.75. And for the Saffiano tote, let me pull that up for you guys real quick. West, East, West, Lisa. I hate spell check. It never spells the right thing for me. It is the handle drop is 9 inches. So let me, before I go any further, do my own little measurement. I can't remember. It's been a while since I wore the other tote. So it's 9 and almost 9.5. Yeah, that is 9.5 at the third. I think this is the third hole. Yes, the third hole from the bottom. And I think I adjusted my black one I have to the very bottom so I get a better drop. So 9.5, pretty much 2 more inches, 11.5. So it will be a nice carry, especially in the spring and summer with the your blue jean jackets. Oh my God, I love them. Okay, stay focused, Lisa. The measurements is 11.5 inches high here, 11.5 inches, 7 inches wide on the bottom, just there the same, and 12.5 inches long. So this one is 11 and 3/4, so that's 0.75 inches longer than this one. Okay, and let's see. I guess you could see it a little bit that they are this one is a little bit bigger, but they're both 7. And you see what I mean about the structure? This particular one is more structured, and it's 7 inches. I don't think I could have took the Camden tote as being, you know, the Camden is just seems a little bit huge, bigger than this one, but it's probably the same size. I just like that it's softer, and I can see me carrying this one more. This orange one is gorgeous, guys. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna stop saying that. Okay, so one point I wanted to bring out is that did I go into, no I didn't go into what's in here. So you have your front pocket. It has the blue and white stitching, and then on the inside it has the blue and white fabric stitching in here. Same setup. Except these two match. There's not a smaller one and there's not a bigger one. They're both the same size pockets. And they both have the key leash. Alrighty. So I wanted to show you guys, because I forgot when in my Amazon haul, I had another white bag that I forgot to share what was in that bag. And I'm really happy and excited to share this because this is what was in that bag. And it is awesome. It is the Molterm. Yeah, I think the word Molterm. So I put my little calendar in here, and it's just being held by this these strings that's in here. I really want to get some journal bands so I could put that in here and would hold it in better. And it came with this notepad, which is really nice. I was trying to keep my other small notepads. What I think I'm going to do is the notepad that I normally carry around, especially, let me see. It's in here. This is the baggie it came in. It came in a box as well, wrapped really nice. These journals. So I probably would use these more so for, you know, shopping list and, you know, stuff like that. This one, maybe not so much. I'm going to try to keep my information separate. I just love paper, guys. It has the pen holder here. And then it has the opening right here. I got this off of Amazon, by the way. Has the another opening there. And then it has these two, they're not stretchy bands. These two bookmark things here. And then it has a spot right here, card section, another spot, and then the bonus right there. So I'm really liking this. This is the pink. Really like this. It's small enough to put in your purse. Now I might not can carry this every time. I probably have to interchange sometimes. Maybe a smaller notebook, depending on what I'm carrying, what kind of purse I'm carrying. But definitely if I'm carrying these totes, I will be carrying this and that. Definitely have to carry these around with me. So that's what I was missing with my Amazon haul, guys. I just wanted to show you guys that. I wanted to share my unboxing with you guys. I am so happy with these two new additions to my collection. I am actually getting a summer collection finally. I have been kind of playing it safe, and now I have more, because at one time I really just had the Mackenzie Hobo in the geranium and my Aubrey Patterson satchel, the navy one. I love that one. I pull that out every summer. So now I'm getting some more. I got some small bags. I got a couple of totes. I am adding my summer collection to my collection of handbags. Until next time, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate your comments and feedback. And until next time, guys, bye.